Hey, everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, our focus is on providing a review of the Drone X Pro, which stands out as one of the most popular drones currently on the market. If you're thinking about getting a drone and want to know if the Drone X Pro is worth it, stick around because we've got all the details. So, what's Drone X Pro? It's a 3-speed quadcopter drone made by an Estonian tech company. They're known for their cool inventions, and this drone is no exception. Now, let's talk about the key features that make the Drone X Pro awesome. First off, it comes with an ultra-wide HD camera offering a 120-degree viewing angle, perfect for capturing amazing aerial footage. The drone is durable, lightweight, and has an impressive flight time of 12 to 15 minutes on a single charge. Now, let's talk about what we love about the Drone X Pro. What we love is its durable and compact design. It's been on all our outdoor adventures and held up really well. Plus, it won't break the bank compared to some other drones out there. Setting it up is easy. Unfold the drone, insert the batteries, and you're good to go. The controls are straightforward, and the included app makes it easy to connect your phone for live viewing. Speaking of the app, it's available on both Android and iOS and is super user-friendly. So, there you have it, our honest review of the Drone X Pro. If you're looking for an affordable, feature-packed drone, this might just be the one for you. There's a link in the description where you can grab the Drone X Pro at a special price. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more tech reviews and adventures. Until next time, fly high and capture those amazing moments. See you in the next video.